Last day preparation tips. Jkbopee entrance exam for BSc. Nursing and paramedical courses. Preparing a Jkbopee entrance exam requires a systematic and focused approach. Here are some last-minute preparation tips to help you make the most of your remaining days. Review the syllabus. Make sure you have a clear understanding of the entire syllabus for the exam. Identify the key topics and subjects that carry more weightage and focus on them. Create a study schedule. Plan your remaining days effectively by allocating specific time slots for each subject or topic. Break down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid burnout and enhance concentration. Practice previous year's question papers. Solve previous year's question papers and sample papers to get acquainted with the exam pattern and understand the types of questions they're likely to be asked. This will also help you identify your weak areas and work on them. Revise important concepts. Instead of trying to cover everything, prioritize important concepts, formulas, and definitions. Review your notes or refer to concise study materials to reinforce our understanding of these essential topics. Maintain a healthy routine. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and exercise regularly. Avoid studying for long hours without breaks as it can lead to fatigue and decreased productivity. Stay calm and confident, avoid unnecessary stress and maintain a positive mindset. Trust your preparation and believe in your abilities. Stay confident during the exam and approach each question with a calm and focused mindset. Stay updated with exam-related information. Keep yourself updated with any changes or updates regarding the exam schedule, pattern, or other relevant information. Stay organized and ensure you have all the necessary documents and materials ready for the exam day. Remember, effective preparation is a continuous process, and these tips are meant to enhance your last-minute efforts. Stay dedicated, focused, and maintain a disciplined approach throughout your preparation. Good luck with your Jkbopee entrance exam. Enjoy it.